God. Alright. Alright, next one.
And exhale out. All the way.
You feel that in your mid back a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh.
I am not connected to my body anymore. I know it. I just know it. I don't even want to move my feet.
How I
Oh
wanna
my
feel.
God. When I see you do that to people on the screen, it looked different, but then when I had it happen to me, I literally felt like I wasn't here anymore. Dude, I gotta put you on the payroll. How much I need you to put you on the payroll for a year. That was
Listen.
probably the best pop I've ever had in my life. You are amazing. You know what I'm saying? That was great.
Oh yeah, y'all. Listen, I want my neck cracked right now.